What is the important point? We have to realize that try to find out many persons in all over the world. They do not know what is Kriya Yoga. They do not know about Lahiri Mahasaya. They do not know that Kriya Yoga is the fastest way to solve all problems. But among all populations, we are very fortunate that we are knowing it. Then what is the Kriya Yoga meditation? It teaches the science of self-realization. Self-realization, why I have to realize myself? I want to realize others. We cannot do it. Until I am not knowing about myself, I cannot know about you. Who is giving me the power? I am speaking. My heart is beating. Kidney is working. Liver is working. Each and everything within is happening. Who is doing this? Who is controlling this? Without knowing this, how can I know about anything else? The Kriya Yoga meditation, Kriya Yoga science gives perfect message. Try to learn about self. Self-realization will provide all knowledge about all creations of the world. I want to know about anything, about this universe, about this plant, about animal, about solar system, about anything, about you. It is only possible when we start knowing about self. The self-realization, various steps are called Kriya Yoga meditation. Just keep on practicing it, then we get many important things which we were not knowing that we are going to get it. Vitality starts increasing, patience, tolerance, immunity. We are getting more and more peace, differences are reducing. We have lesser and lesser complaint with others. Now we feel very peace. And most important thing, whatever things are essential to maintain our existence for day-to-day living, automatically those things will come to you. But when we try to know others and not trying to know about self, then we will have incorrect idea and thought, I want this, I want that. Then we start accumulating those things which we do not need. Then those things become burden. Then we suffer from that burden throughout life. Therefore remember, through the practice of Kriya Yoga sincerely, with all devotion, all things will start coming to you which are very essential to bring you realization that you are potentially vast and infinite and you are one with God. In order to know about self, we are having many important tools. First, visual tool, eyes. One try to use eyes and try to know about self with open eyes. When I see, then what I have studied, it is bone and muscles, so many other things. That knowledge is not correct. Because when I use my eyes to see each and everything, then we find there is space between eyes and the arm. Then we cannot know ultimate truth behind each and every part of self by using eyes or any tool like MRI, ultrasound, X-ray. We cannot understand clearly. But I want to use my eyes to feel head to toes at nearest of near. Then close your eyes. When eyes are closed, whatever you see, different colors around forehead, that is called the real picture of head to toes. What is the real picture of head to toe? That is the color vibration, that is the spiritual aura which we observe around forehead. But we have another tool, ear. I want to take help of ear for self-realization. Then when I am talking, the sound is entering into the ear. It is coming outside, then entering into the ear. Again distance is maintained. Therefore there is confusion. What we listen, it is misunderstanding. Then we are ready to close ears. When we are closing the ears, then whatever we listen, the vibration, that vibration is presence of head to toes. then what is that vibration? What is the nature, property of that vibration? Immortality. When you close your eyes, what you see? Color radiations, immortal consciousness. But we are having many other things to feel our own self. Less breathing system, thoracic area, abdominal area expanding, contracting. Each and every part is expanding, contracting. Try to feel it more and more. You will find it is nearer. When I observe thoracic part, abdominal part, it is expanding, contracting, which is called the breathing process. Try to feel it more and more, and whatever you feel, accept it, immortal consciousness. This is the way of self-realization. Try to practice self-realization more and more. Never try to drag anyone to teach anything. Nobody is able to listen it. Therefore, try to reform yourself. When you will be reformed, you will be working like son of peace, son of joy, son of knowledge and power. Then your consciousness, your existence will start radiating vibration, waves of peace, joy, power and knowledge. In that, all persons will be charged. This is the scientific way how to help others. When try to follow any other way, that is not perfect scientific. That will take a lot of time, a lot of stress. Therefore, we are very fortunate that we are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation. This is a brief message for today. आंखें हम बंद कर लें. Let us close our eyes. हम प्रतिदिन क्रिया योग का अभ्यास इसलिए करें कि इसके अभ्यास से हम अपने को जानने लगते हैं और अपने को जानने के क्रम में सारा ज्ञान स्वतः आ जाता है कि भगवान कौन है, कहाँ है, ये दुनिया कौन है, अतीत वर्तमान भविष्य क्या है, आदि मध्य अंत क्या है. Let us close our eyes and feel head to toes, presence of head to toes. Try to concentrate on it, accept it more and more. Try to learn about self more and more. In the process of learning self, automatically we realize presence of God, knowledge of all creations. We start learning automatically everything. With this brief message, let us bow down to our devotion we have in Kriya Yoga meditation. क्रिया योग ध्यान में अपनी भक्ति को हम नमन करें. अब हम बैठेंगे. Now we will sit. आंखें खोलें. Open eyes.